For this triangle, we have angle, side, angle information. I have two angles and the side that's in between them, so we're going to need the law of sines. First of all, I want to find the measure of angle A, the third angle of this non-right triangle, and we can do that by subtraction, 180 degrees total in the triangle, and I'll subtract the two angles that I know, and come out with a measure of 79 degrees for angle A. Now it's time for the law of sines. In order to use the law of sines, I need to have one matched pair, an angle along with its opposite side. Well, I can't use angle C because I don't know side C. I can't use angle B because I don't know side B. I know side A, and we just found angle A, so that's going to be the one. For the law of sines, I'm going to do sine of angle A over side A, and it doesn't really matter which one we pick. I'm going to pick B, not for any reason other than I feel like doing B first. So that'll be the sine of 48 degrees divided by sine B. And we'll multiply both sides by 10 and B, and then divide by the sine of 79 degrees. If you need another step in there, go ahead and write it in, that's no problem. Now, and not before now it's time to break out the calculator, and we're going to find the length of side B is 7.57. We don't have units specified, so 7.57, whatever we're measuring in. And finally, we want to find side C. I'm going to have to use the law of sines again. It's not a right triangle, so I can't use the Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to stick with this sine of 79, since 10 is a nice exact value. I don't want to use my rounded off 7.57, because whatever error I created by rounding that off is then going to be promulgated forward into the next calculation, and I don't want that. So equals the sine of angle C over side C. And again, I'm going to multiply by 10, multiply by C, divide by the sine of 79 degrees. And we come out with a length of side C of 8.14. If you notice, maybe you've noticed this, bigger angles are across from longer sides and smaller angles are across from shorter sides. So it's kind of a way of checking. My longest side, 10, is across from my biggest angle, 79 degrees. My shortest side, B, is across from my smallest angle, 48 degrees. So it's a little quick check you can do.